Today we are going to study about new lesson, and the lesson is about this. Everyone, who can tell me what are these? Who can tell me what are these? When you see this picture, Usa.
Yeah, teacher, close this.
Okay. Usa said no. How about Panyaset? What are these?
Teacher, these are clothing.
Hey, Monica, you know, when you see all these pictures, what do you think? All these pictures, what do we call them?
Clothes.
Clothes.
Clothing.
Okay, that is we call clothes. Everybody do not say clothes, say clothes. Clothes. Look at my mouth, everyone. Look at my mouth. Clothes. Clothes. Okay. Clothes. Not clothes. Panyaset, do not say clothes anymore. Okay. Let's read all together. Clothes.
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 Yes.
Clothes.
Okay. This we cannot read clothes. We read clothes. Clothes. Okay. Panyata, please read it. Clothes.
Yeah, teacher, clothes.
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 Your tongue with your teeth like this. Clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, Monica, can you read it? Clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, Usa, can you read it? Clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, good job. Everyone, what is this? Panyata.
Yeah, teacher, hat.
Hat. Hat. Okay. What is this? Who knows? Usa.
Yeah, teacher, dress.
Dress. Okay. What is this? Who knows? Who knows this? Nobody knows? Okay. And what is this? Who knows? Everyone, can you tell me what are the clothes that, what clothes you are wearing now? Do you know? You don't know the name of the clothes that you wear? Okay, let's go. Let's see all together. This is we call dress. Say all together. Dress.
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 Dress. Dress.
Dress.
Okay.
Dress.
Coat.
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 Coat. Coat.
Coat.
Coat. Coat.
Coat.
Coat.
Jean.
Jean.
Jeans.
Jean.
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 Okay. This one. Jacket.
Jacket. Jacket. Jacket.
Okay. Skirt.
Shirt.
Skirt.
Shirt.
Skirt.
Shirt.
Yeah. Trouser.
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 Okay. Let's say it again. This one.
Dress. Dress.
Dress.
Dress.
This one.
Coat. Coat.
Coat. This one.
Jean. Jean.
Jean.
Jean.
This one.
Jacket. Jacket.
Jacket. This one.
Jacket.
Skirt.
Skirt.
Yeah. Skirt.
Skirt.
This one.
Skirt.
Trouser.
Trouser.
Yeah. Trouser.
Trousers.
Okay. Good job. Let's go next. Say it, everyone. When you say, you can start your sentence with I like to wear. Okay? Yeah. Everyone, when you say like this, wear jeans. Who want to try first? Right. Who want to try first?
Me, teacher.
Yeah, Tisa, please.
Yeah, teacher. I wear the dress in. I wear dress. Go to the party.
I wear the dress to the party. Good job, Usa. Number 2. Who want to make sentence? Quick. Who want to make sentence with the word skirt?
Me, teacher.
Okay, Monica, please.
Yes, teacher. I like to wear skirt.
Where?
I like to wear skirt.
Good job, Monica. Number 3, trouser. Who want to make sentence? Panyarit.
I wear trousers to school.
Panyarit, your sentence like this. I like to wear. See? I like to wear. Say it again, Panyarit. I like to wear.
I like to wear trousers to school.
Okay. Acceptable. Good job. Now, let's go. Exercise. I will give you 5 marks if you can do it. Okay? First, what are these? This one. If you know, I will give you 5 marks. Panyaset?
Yeah, teacher. These are shirts.
Again?
These are shirts.
Can you spell that?
Yeah, teacher. Shirt is spelled S-H-I-R-T.
Yeah, you are correct. Panyaset, you get 5 from me. Congratulations. Number 2. What is this? Who know? If you know, I give you 5 marks. What is this? Who know? Usa, Monica, do you know this? Panyata, Panyarit? You want to get 5 from me? Who know? Okay, if you don't know, 5 will return to me. This is called glow. Say all together, glow.
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 What? Glow.
Glow.
Glow. Okay. Number 3. What is this? Who want to get 5 from me? Who want to get 5 from me? Who want to get 5 from me?
Me.
Who say me? Monica?
Jacket.
Jacket?
Yes.
Okay, everybody, let's check the answer. Raincoat. Say all together. Raincoat.
Raincoat.
Yeah. We wear it.
Raincoat.
Okay, this we wear it when the rain fall. Okay. When the rain fall, we wear raincoat. Okay. Number 4. Who want to get 5 from me? Panyata, you know. Bensing. Panyaret. Usa. Do you want to get 5 from me? Okay, you don't know. Short. Say all together. Short.
Short. Short. Short.
Short here with S. So it is a noun. Short no S, it is not noun. Okay. Short no S means like this. Short, tall, short, tall. But here short. Okay. The last picture. Now I have 5 marks for you. And it is the last picture. Let's see. Who want to try? Who want to try? Who want to try? Sorry. Who want to try?
Me, teacher.
Okay. Panya said because you already give me one answer, let's give this chance to Sa. Sa, please.
Yes, teacher. Wow.
What is it? Oh, I cannot catch up your word. Can you spell that?
Yes, teacher.
Please spell it. Okay. Okay, not yet correct, Isa. I'm sorry. Let Panyaset. What is that? Panyaset.
Yes, teacher. That is a belt.
Spell it.
Yes, teacher. Belt. I spell B-E-L-T.
B-E-L-T. Panyaset, you are correct. You get 5 more from me. So today you get 10. Panyaset. But other students not yet get from me. Okay. Thank you so much. Now writing. I want you to write short paragraph. Everyone. like this. I will send the lesson to you. The first you have to copy all the lesson. When you copy all the lesson, when you finish it, you write about clothes that you wear every day. Okay? Write it from 80 to 100 words in a paragraph. Okay? Everyone, write it in the paragraph. Example, you can say, every day I wear some kind of clothes. In the morning I wear this, wear that. At night I wear this, wear that. Okay? So when you do it all, you can send it to the group. Who has any question? Who has any question? Please raise your hand up. Anyone has any question? So, what you study today? What you study at the moment?
Me, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher. Today we study about clothes.
Hey, Panyarat, you study 6 words. What are they, Panyarat?
They are dress,
jacket, trouser,
skirt,
what?
skirt,
Good.
skirt.
Yes, and then?
And t-shirt.
No t-shirt. Okay, who can have Panyarat 2 more words? Who can have? Okay, Usa, please help your friend.
Yes, teacher. Skirt and suit.
He already mentioned good.
Suit.
Yes, shirt. That is in exercise. Okay, thank you so much. So I will drop the lesson for all you guys, and you can copy the lesson. Okay, and don't forget to do your exercise all together.
Yes, teacher.